Getting an error message when opening Adobe Premiere Pro? It's most likely related to your system's driver. Don't worry. It usually doesn't impact your project, so you can just click Continue with known issues and start using Premiere Pro without a problem. However, seeing this pop up every time can be annoying, right? In this video, I'll show you a quick way to hide that message permanently. Now, just to clarify, this video is about hiding the message, not fixing the actual issue. If you do want to fix it, we've got another video for that, and the link is in the description below. Alright, let's get started. First, open Adobe Premiere Pro. Then go to Edit in the top menu and select Preferences. Click on General, and a new window will pop up. In this window, look for the option that says Show System Compatibility Issues at Startup. To hide that message, simply uncheck the box. Then click OK, and you're done. Next time you open Premiere Pro, you won't see that error message anymore. But don't worry, you can still check the compatibility report anytime. Just look for the red icon at the top right corner of the screen after Premiere Pro opens. Clicking on it will show you the Compatibility Issues report. I hope this quick tip helped you. If it did, make sure to like the video, and feel free to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching.